Hello my dear students, welcome to your online class. So today we will start with chapter number 3, that is pronouns. Okay. So in the Zoom class also we have discussed about pronouns. What are pronouns? Yes, some of you have answered well correctly. So suppose I will give you an example. In the Zoom class I gave you an example that Ram is a good boy. Ram goes to school every day. Ram does his homework regularly. So if we repeat Ram, 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 this word is repeated several times or not? So if it is repeated, then it doesn't look good, right? So for that we can use pronouns. Okay. Another example I will give you. So now you see here, there are 3 sentences. Mr. Gopal is the principal of a school. Mr. Gopal will retire next month. The students will give Mr. Gopal a grand farewell. So, which word is repeated again and again? We can say Mr. Gopal first time, then second, then again third time. Right. So, this word is repeated several times and it is what? Looking what? Odd. So, for that we can use pronouns. Pronouns are the words that replaces nouns and we can use instead of what? Noun. Right. Like Mr. Gopal, we know that this is what? A single person. So for a boy, that is a person male, then we will write what? He. So here we can write what? He. Okay. So Mr. Gopal is the principal of our school. He will retire next month. The students will give he or what? No. Here it will be like object. I will explain you. There you will understand. We cannot write here he. Okay. In the beginning we can write. But in here the students will give him. Okay, him a grand farewell. So in this way we can replace nouns, that is pronoun. Okay. So first we will learn about personal pronouns. So this table earlier also you have got. So first person, who can be the first person? First person who is speaking. I am speaking or not? For that singular will be what? I think you remember this, right? Now plural, like I am there and another person, like your name is Dia. Dia and I, we both are there. That means it will be plural or not. So it will be we. Like we are talking about third person, like name is Rana and Sana. So it will be they. But here what? Dia or Ria and I. If I am also there and another, then it will be we. Okay. Now second person, I am talking to whom? To you. So if you are a single person, one person also, I will tell you what? You. But if you are a group of students, to all the students also I say what? You. Please do your homework. You all should do your homework, right? So it will be what? You. Okay. Now third person. Third person is we both are speaking about whom. That is the third person who is spoken of. Okay, like we are talking about the third person, that is he. If there will be only one boy, okay, it will be he. Okay, and if it will be only one girl, it will be what? She. And if it will be only one thing, it will be what? It. Now, if there is not only one boy, more, okay, boys, not one girl, girls, not, it means like not fruit, it will be fruits. Okay, not vegetable, it is vegetables. Okay, so that means what? More, plural. So for that we will use they. Okay, for 3 of them we will use they. I think you know this table, right? So for singular first person I, plural we. Second person you, here also plural also you. I told you how it is, right? Third person it will be he, she, it. In case of singular, one boy, one girl, one thing, and plural it will be they for 3 of them. Is it clear to you? Yes. So now you see. This is another table you will learn. You have learned about I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Now, first person, second person, third person, we already know, right? Now, singular also, plural, we all know about this, right? Singular one, plural, that means more than one. Now, what is subject? So, singular, we know that this is I, right? And it is we. But it is used as subject. Subject means about whom we are saying. Do you remember subject? About whom we are saying in the sentence. Like, I will give you example. I have a pen. Right? Now, if I write here, Raj gave me a pen. Here you can see I is used as subject. Yes? But here you see, Raj gave whom? Me. a pen. But why I have not written here I? Because this is used as subject, not as object. Okay. It is used as object. It is not, means me, this object is not usually used in the beginning. Okay. Object is not used in the beginning. Mainly it is used in the middle of the sentence or at the end. Okay. So after the verb you can see Raj gave me. So this is the object of what I will be, me. Okay. Understood? Now possessive. What do you mean by possessive now? Possessive means belonging. It belongs to someone, right? Belongingness. You have got in what? Nouns also. In case of nouns also you have learned about possessive, right? Apostrophe. But here we will not put apostrophe. But here also it belongs to someone. Like if I write here, this pen is mine. This pen is whose? Mine. So this is possessive. Okay? Understood? Subject will be I, as object we will use me, and as possessive we will use mine. Clear? Now we, as subject we can write we have a book. As object we will write what? Raj gave us what? Raj gave us chocolates. Okay, so here, now you see. When we are using as subject, we have used what? We. But as Raj gave whom? Us. Together. Okay, this is plural. So we have to use us. These chocolates are whose? Ours. So possessive will be ours. If the subject will be we, the object will be us, and the possessive will be ours. Understood this thing? Now second person. Second person singular also you. Plural also you, and here object also it will be you and plural also you, but here it will be yours. What? Yours. Okay, like I will use for singular, you are a nice boy. They know you, and this pen is yours. So in the beginning we have used what as subject. Here also it is same, but we know that this is what small letter or not, and it is after what? The verb. So it is object, and this pen is whose? Yours. So this is what? Possessive. Okay. In plural also, singular also it will be same. You all are a what? You all are good students. They know you all. This pens are yours. Okay, in that way. So for plural we can write in that way. Understood? So third person singular we know he, she, it. And for he the object will be him. For she the object will be what? Her. And for it it will be what? It only. Okay, and plural we know it is they, and the object will be them. Okay, and here the possessive. Possessive for he will be his, and she will be hers. Okay, and they will be theirs. I think if I tell you the example, then only it will be okay. Like we can make a sentence. He gave me a book. So as subject we have used he. Okay, but I gave him a book. I gave him. So it is used as object. Same, she gave me a book. I gave her a book. So in that way we can make, but this pen is his, that pen is hers. So in that way we use possessive form. And here also same way, they got red balloons. Okay, I gave them red balloons, and the red balloons are theirs. So this is used as possessive. So this is the table you have to remember. Okay, one more time I am repeating. If the subject is I, object will be me, possessive mine. Subject is we, object is us, possessive will be ours. Subject you, object you, yours. Same it is. He, she, it as subject. Object for he it will be him, she it will be her, it will be it. And here for he it will be his, she it will be hers in possessive. And they, them, theirs. I think it is clear. So page number 20, work in pairs, take turns to talk about the picture. So this will be done in the June class. Okay, you have to tell sentences. Right? So now we will do question number A. Circle the correct pronouns in the brackets to complete the sentences. My name. Whose name? My name is Gulin. So it will be I or me. Study in class 4. It is used as subject or object. In the beginning then we will use me or what? No, we will use what? I. Yes, you just circle it. Okay. Now number 2. I say to Payal, you, me, sing very well. So I will say to Payal, I am the first person and Payal will be the second person because I am talking directly to Payal or not. So to talk to Payal, what I will say? You. Second person is you. Do you remember? You sing very well. So it will be you. Okay. Number 3. Yamini and I are going to the park. As we will be back in an hour. Yamini is there and I am also there. For that, what I told, we will use first person plural. That is we. Or us. Us is what? It is used as object. So in the beginning, before the verb, we cannot use as object. So it will be we. Okay. Number 4. The students are writing. They each have a class assignment. Not only one student. Students are. That means it will be what? They. Okay. Understood? Same way you try from 5 to question number 10. So now you see it is given the pronoun it can be used for plant, animal, non-living thing. Plant also, animal also. If we don't know it is girl or boy. Non-living thing also. So for this we use the pronoun it. I think you know already, right? So now I already explained you about possessive pronouns. That is mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. Yes. So ours. So these are what? Possessive pronouns. But one thing you remember that with possessive pronoun, like in possessive noun, what we have done, like we used to use apostrophe s, right? But in case of possessive pronoun, don't use apostrophe. Don't use like this. No, never. Don't use. Okay, we don't use apostrophe in case of possessive pronoun. This one will be correct. Okay, you have to write this way, not this way. This is wrong. Okay, understood? So number B also, as I have already explained you about possessive pronoun, I think you can do it. That this book belongs to me. The object is me. Then the possessive of that will be what? I already explained. So the table you have to remember. It will be what? Mine. Right. Now this watch belongs to grandpa. Grandpa is what? What? Male or female? Male. Yes. So the possessive pronoun will be what? For he, him, it will be his or not? Yes. So the possessive will be his. Okay. Now this ruler belongs to Kavya. So this ruler belongs to Kavya. Kavya is a girl, and for a girl, that is she. What will be the possessive pronoun? Do you remember? Yes, she. Then what it will be? Her, hers. Right? Yes, it will be hers. So same way you try the remaining one. Like 4 number us. What is the possessive pronoun for us? So you have to do it. So today we have done till question number B. You do the remaining one in your book. Alright. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me.